Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the unboxing of the Huawei Mate 8, the current flagship phone from Huawei, which everyone is, talking about. And I was actually getting a lot of requests from my subscribers that I should, buy this phone and do the comparison with the Note 5 and all that, all the competition. So yeah, we're gonna do those videos, but this is the unboxing time, and this is actually the 4 GB RAM variant. Also, it has 64 gigs of internal memory, so I already opened the box. But first, let's take a look at all the sides. It's just a normal black box, like the one we got with the Mate S. So let's just open it up. Whoa, that's a big phone. This is, I believe, this phone has a 6-inch display. Wow. It doesn't feel that big because I'm using Nexus 6P as my main phone, which has a 5.7-inch display. So yeah, you can see some specs written on the front on the sticker, which is of course this 950 superior octa-core processor, which is clocked at 2.3 gigahertz, coming with the Meli T880 MP4 GPU, which is going to be the same GPU inside of the Galaxy S7. But in the form of octa-core or maybe deca-core, we don't know. So, epic 4000 milliamp hours of battery. Oh god, it's gonna be awesome. Let's see here what else we have. So, of course, this phone is officially launched in Pakistan. This costs around 65,000 or I think 66,000. Yes. Which is almost $650 or $670. Maybe it's gonna be a little bit cheaper on Amazon, maybe. So also the 3 GB RAM variant costs almost $100 less, about 56,000 or 55,000. So yeah, I did bought the 4 GB RAM variant because I really wanted to test it out, its full potential. And all that. So we do have this nice boxes here. This one is for the charger, and I think this one is for the ear parts or headphones, and for the charging cable. So let's take a look at the charger we have. So this is a good little 3-pin charger, Huawei quick charge. So yeah, this phone is going to have fast charging. It's gonna charge up pretty quickly. And then also we have this box, this small little cute box. How am I going to open it? Okay, so we have this nice little USB cable for, of course, connecting it with this charger and charging and all that stuff. Then we have this nice little earpods, of course. We'll be going to check them out also. So let's take a quick look at these AirPods, how they look and all that. Okay, how am I going to open it up? Come on. Okay, that was easy. So yeah, I think these are the same AirPods that we actually get with the Nexus 6P. I mean, they actually sold separate earpods with the Nexus 6P here in Pakistan, so yeah, definitely they are not that good. I tried them out, so sorry for spoiling, but we do have this awesome thing. Huawei likes to give us a lot of value. I mean, they give their customer a lot of value, so they included a free case here, which is obviously awesome. Oh my god, Huawei's design. That is nice. What is this? Of course, some paperwork, obviously. And yeah, there's some paperwork. Huawei Mate 8 quick start guide. I guess I don't really need it because I'm actually a pro. I mean, at least what I think. That's what I think. So this is the case we have, which I am not going to use, by the way, but you do get it. And also we have this SIM ejecting tool. It is recommended that you use the SIM ejecting tool, the tool that you get with your box. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this instead of the one that I have somewhere. So let's take a look at the phone, because you people might be getting a little bit bored. So I'm just gonna move this stuff out of the way, zoom in a little bit. bring in the 6-inch beast. This is huge, okay? This is huge. And I'm not gonna have any problem using this phone. All right. Okay, so wow. This is a metallic phone, and you know this phone has all the good looks. It's really premium. It's really sexy. It feels really good in hand. Feels like you are holding on to a really pure premium phone. So okay, so normal Huawei logo there. Ding 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 ding. Also, this phone is actually the first phone that comes with the Marshmallow, you know, first Huawei phone ever that comes with the Android 6.0 Marshmallow right out of the box. So let's click next, United States. I think we should select Pakistan. Come on, B, where are you? Okay, Philippines. Wait, what the hell? I can't choose Pakistan. Can't choose it. There are very few countries. I think I should go with, let's see, United States, because of course I think I selected United States the first time, so whatever, doesn't matter, it's unlocked. Continue. Of course you can insert the SIM later. Next page. Okay, you have to agree to their policy. No time to read. Ain't nobody got time for that. Enhanced internet experience. Wi-Fi Plus service helps you to intelligently choose between your Wi-Fi. Do not allow. Of course, if you want to enroll your fingerprint right now, you can do it. But of course, I'm going to make a separate video on that. It's really straightforward. Congratulations, successful. Okay, so Huawei Home, you can enable these. Let's enable it. So this is how the UI looks like. Let's see here if this is Android Marshmallow or not. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Android 6.0 version. We can click on it to get this nice little animation also. Okay, so no game, but you can see here it has Kirin 950 chipset, and personally I was attracted to this phone because of its power. You know, the Kirin 950, it's a beast. And wow, look at that. Look at how fast it is. You know, you touch it and just opens up. Wow. So goddamn fast. So this is how the notification panel looks like. Also, this phone has 4,000 milliamp hours of battery with fast charge. So you will be using this phone. I mean, you can get almost like 2 days of usage easily, and I think almost 2 days, depends on your usage. And also, of course, Marshmallow comes with some new features also, and also has this 16 megapixel camera on the back, and on the front we got the 8 megapixel for selfies, so really nice. Still, you can't really record a 4K video. I don't know why they didn't put this option here, because I mean, why Huawei, why? I mean, if you don't really care about 4K recording, then that's okay, but 4K is a must thing. You know, Samsung is doing 4K since the Galaxy S5 days, so why not Huawei? Why not? So 16 megapixel camera. So we got tons of features here to look at, object tracking, tons of stuff. So yeah, just a quick unboxing, setup, and first look of the phone. If you have any requests, any specific videos that you guys want to see, do let me know, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.